Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn English workshop of the poem Try Again from 8th Standard English book. Margin questions. Question number 1. What should you do when you fail at first? Answer. When you fail at first, you should try again. Second question. When do we generally feel ashamed? Answer. When we fail at first time, we generally feel ashamed while trying again. Third question. What rules must be always kept in mind? Answer. The following rules must be always kept in mind. First, try again and again if you fail. Second, never give up. Third, have patience. Fourth, don't lose hope. Next, try till you succeed. Next, don't be ashamed of failure. English workshop. Question number 1. The following anagrams contain words or phrases from the poem. Guess and write what they are. First, try again. Second, courage. Third, strive. Fourth, reward. Fifth, patience. Sixth, persevere. Second question, pick out lines that convey the following from the poem. First, if you keep trying without doubt, you shall win. Answer, for if you persevere, you will conquer no fear. Second, it is not shameful to struggle hard. Answer, if we strive, it is no disgrace. Third, when others can do the work, so can you, if you keep trying patiently. Answer, all that other folk can do, why with patience may not you? Fourth question, when you fail in your first attempt, make another one. Answer, if at first you don't succeed, try again. Next question, find from the poem the antonyms, that is opposite words from the following. First, succeed, fail. Second, punishment, reward. Third, courage, fear. Fourth, stop or quit, try or prevail. Fifth, lose, win or conquer. Fourth question, answer in your own words. Question number 1. What lesson should be kept always in mind? The lesson should always keep in mind is try again. Second question, what should someone who loses a race do? Answer, someone who loses a race should try again. Third question, what quality is important when you are struggling for success? Answer, patience is important quality when you are struggling for success. Fourth question, when can success have a greater value? When you get it easily or with difficulty? Answer, when you get success with difficulty, that has a great value. Next question, read the poem and fill in the wave choosing points from it. What leads to success? Trying again, have patience, trying hard, persevere. Next question, most lines from the poem can serve as a truth or a proverb. Pick out 3 or 4 such lines. First, If at first you don't succeed, try again. Second, you will conquer, never fear, try again. Third, if you find your task is hard, try again. Fourth, time will bring you your reward, try again.